Well, hello there, everyone. Happy July 2019. Are you having a great summer thus far? I am bringing to you a very quick and simple DIY solar light idea. Now, I purchased a lot of the flavored coffee that's in the refrigerator section at Dollar Tree, and I'm always left with these cute little bottles. Well, today at the slideshow, I will show you how I create a cute little tabletop solar light. Now you can do and add any decoration you would like, because this is just a basic idea. And I think to upcycle or repurpose these bottles, instead of throwing them out in the landfill, you can make yourself a great solar light with them. You take the top of the Dollar Tree solar light for $1. You can add stones, pebbles, gems, decorations on the inside, decorations on the outside, and maybe even a little ornament for the inside. Thus, it'll be cute trapped inside once I add the top. Now, use 3-in-1 craft glue or begun fabric tack. Now, fabric tack's pretty good in water, waterproofing. I use a lot of the fabric tack for my outdoor summer projects. And I think I might just fill this one up with some of Legacy's beads. There's a huge cupcake storage unit filled with beads, and I think maybe I might use these to fill this glass. Be really colorful idea, and a way to repurpose those broken necklace beads from Mardi Gras season. We save a lot of our beads, and you never know when you need them. And this is Miss Legacy's stash, so I might just add these to the solar light idea. Anyhow, let's continue with the slideshow. And here's one of my spiders as well that I made. Be sure you look for the video on YouTube. It shows you how I make these spiders. Okay, let's continue with the slideshow and have a little bit of fun. The second cute little whimsical idea is the Dollar Tree bubblegum machine that comes with the bubblegum. I did wash, and then I'm trying to dry out the inside of it. Make sure it's completely dried. Alright, add your Mardi Gras beads to it to act as gumballs. Place glue in the bottom first, and then add some Mardi Gras beads. And then, of course, we're going to cap it off with a Dollar Tree solar light. Cute idea, isn't it? Add this to a plant outside, your fairy garden, your tabletop. Cute little miniature gumball solar light. And here we have two cute little Dollar Tree upcycles. One is a bottle, and another is the bubblegum machine. The kids will eat the bubblegum out of the bubblegum machine, upcycle it into a solar light. How whimsical can this be? And when you drink your cold bottle of coffee from Dollar Tree, upcycled bottle into a solar light. We will have pictures tonight. Right now, they're just resting while the glue adheres. I thank you for stopping in on this hot July 2019. And we are from Bay City, Michigan. And we send our blessings from us to you and your family. Hashtag art is freedom. Good night, everyone.